Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing yellow cosmos, also known as sulfur cosmos. Cosmos is a great plant for your garden. They are annual or seasonal plants. They are very easy to grow and they have beautiful flowers that bloom a lot. This variety of cosmos is called Cosmos sulphurus. They come in mainly shades of yellow and orange. You will also find another type of cosmos, that is Cosmos bipinnatus. They have bigger flowers and they come in pink, purple and white shades. These are mainly grown in the winter season where I live. The yellow cosmos plants are more heat tolerant and they can flower for a longer time. You can grow them all year long if you want. They bloom best during the winter, spring and early summer season, and you can also grow them during the monsoon. They bloom very well from September to November, so you can grow them more than once in a year. These are sun-loving plants, so they will flower best when they get around 6 hours of direct sunlight. If the summer temperature gets too hot, then you can give them afternoon shade. They don't bloom very well in extreme summer conditions. This plant is very easy to maintain, so you can grow them easily in ground or in containers. In the ground, they can get more than 6 feet tall. They grow best in a well-draining soil. They will even grow well in poor soil. So for potting mix, you can take any garden soil, add 20 to 30% compost and a tablespoon of bone meal, and that will be all. These are very low maintenance plants, so you don't have to fertilize them too much. Just add any organic liquid fertilizer weekly and some bone meal once a month. Keep it light and simple. They will grow best with minimum care. Growing them from seed is the best and easiest way. Just take the seeds, sprinkle them on the soil, add a light layer of soil or compost on top of them. Water them nicely and keep them in a bright and warm area. Within 7 days, you will see the seeds are germinating. After a few days, you will see true leaves are coming out. Now you can take them out and plant them where you want. You can grow 4 to 5 plants in a 10-inch container. For one plant, you can take a 6 to 8-inch pot. These plants are quite drought tolerant, but they need good watering. So water them well and water them when the topsoil feels dry. Don't overwater them too much. Pest can be a big problem for this plant. Aphids, mealybugs and spider mites are a big problem. So spray any organic pesticide like neem oil time to time. If you want lots of flowers from your plant, then you have to prune them regularly. Cut all the dry flowers immediately. This will help the plant live longer and bloom a lot. So these were all the things you need to do to grow yellow cosmos. They are very easy and they are really great plant for your garden. So grow them and enjoy. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will see you next time. Bye.